Good morning, first graders. Today we are on page 255 of your student journal, and we are on Unit 11, Lesson 11. We are continuing with exactly what we did yesterday. So our objective or our goal for today is exactly the same as yesterday. Today I will compose a triangle, circle, and half circle by combining two or more different shapes. And we don't have any new vocabulary today, so I'm just going to get started with my examples. My first problem tells me to compose a triangle by drawing two or more different shapes. So when I do my triangle, and they also want me to show multiple ways, which means they want more than one answer. So I could draw a right triangle, and right triangle, remember, has some sort of L in it, with another right triangle. Or I could have done like a house, draw with a square and a triangle on top, and then triangles on the side. So those are my two different ways I could do it, because shows multiple ways means at least two. Okay, let's look at my next one. It says compose a circle by drawing two or more shapes. And again, they want me to show multiple ways, which means at least two answers. Okay, so I could do a half circle with another half circle, or I could do what we call a quarter circle with another quarter circle, another quarter circle, and another quarter circle. Okay, my next one says compose a half circle by drawing two or more shapes. So they only want a half circle. Well, I could draw a quarter circle with another quarter circle, and that together gives me a half circle. They don't tell me multiple ways here because I think this is the only way I could do this. So I'm going to stop at that one way. Okay, so boys and girls, let's try some together. We're on page 256. And our first directions say, compose a whole circle by drawing four quarter circles. So they want us to compose or make a whole circle, and this time they didn't give us a choice. They told us how they want us to do it. They want us to draw four quarter circles. Okay, so I think the best way to draw a quarter circle is draw an L where the sides are both the same, and then you can curve that line. And then draw a line down, and then curve your line to make them touch. And then draw your line out, and then curve your line to make them touch, and then finish. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just doing our very best. Okay, let's look at our next one. It says they want us to compose a larger triangle by drawing two smaller right triangles. So they told us how we have to do this. So a right triangle, remember, has to have some sort of L in it. Okay, so we could draw a right triangle, and here's our big L. See, there's a big L there. And then we could put another right triangle next to it. So we have two right triangles because they both have some sort of L's, and now they made a large triangle together. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, you are going to be turning the page and trying 257 and 258. Have a good day. Bye-bye.